Yo, today we're diving deep into something that's going to blow your mind. There's this YouTube channel, right? They call themselves the Door Brothers, and they're absolutely crushing it in the world of AI video production. And here's the kicker. They do all this without ever showing their faces. They've got a stealth mode vibe going on, yet they're pulling in a jaw-dropping 15 million views a month. That's right. 15 million. Now let's talk numbers because we all love to see those digits climb. They're not just getting views, they're making bank. We're talking about raking in up to $55,000 per month from ad revenue alone. That's way more than what a lot of full-time jobs pay, and it's all coming from the comfort of their own homes or wherever they choose to whip up their content. Let's break down their performance history, shall we? In just 7 days, they've seen 3.5 million views. Scale that up to a month and we're looking at another 15 million views. Their videos are not just performing, they're absolutely dominating. But wait, there's more. They've got a solid Insta following too, with 40,000 followers. If you click on the link in their bio, you're taken straight to their AI video production site. And they're not just talking the talk. They've actually collaborated with big names like Snoop Dogg, creating an AI-generated video clip for him. Now, here's where you come in. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the entire process of creating these game-changing videos from the ground up. But listen, this isn't a quick skim. Every step is crucial, and skipping even one can mess up your whole vibe. So buckle up because we're in for a ride. First off, I've got a little gift for you, a Google Doc where I've laid out every single step, every prompt, from setting up your channel to the final cut of your video. You'll find the link in the description and in the comments, so make sure you check that out. I've spent countless hours researching, learning, and preparing this just for you. If you find this useful, hit that like button to help the algorithm spread the love, and keep that Google Doc open. We're going through this together step by step. We're going to break this down into two main phases, setup and creation. Setup. This phase has 4 levels. Level 1, choosing your channel name. Head over to the Google Doc to grab the prompts for names. Then we'll pop over to ChatGPT, paste those prompts in, and get a list of fresh, niche-specific names. Choose one, copy it, and save it in Notepad. Level 2, designing your channel logo. Same deal here. Get the prompt from the Google Doc, go to ChatGPT, and let it cook up some logo ideas. Pick the one that speaks to you and save it. Level 3, crafting your channel banner. Again, we'll use our trusty Google Doc for prompts. Feed them into ChatGPT for some banner ideas, choose, and save. Level 4, writing the About section for your channel. Use the prompt from the Google Doc, feed it to ChatGPT, and you'll get a unique, attractive description. Copy that into your notepad. Now, we're halfway there. Let's move on to YouTube. Create a new Gmail for your channel, switch accounts, and input the name we've chosen. Go through the setup, enter your details, set up security, and all that jazz. Once you've got your account, we'll customize that channel. Use your saved logo, tweak it until it's perfect, upload your banner, and set up your About section. Now, for the banner, we'll use ideogram. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, generate, download, and upload to YouTube. If resizing is needed for different devices, we'll use Canva to make it responsive. Once that's done, your channel's looking legit. Creation. This phase has 5 levels. Level 1, generating video ideas. We'll use our Google Doc prompt, feed it into ChatGPT, and choose the storyline or theme that resonates with you. Level 2, creating image prompts. We need visuals for our scenes, so back to ChatGPT with our prompts to generate detailed descriptions for each image. Level 3, image generation. We'll use ideogram for this, inputting each prompt, setting the right aspect ratio, and generating those visuals. Save them all. Level 4, transforming images into video. Here, we'll use Helu AI, which is free and does the job well. Upload your image, decide on the movements, generate, and download. If the results don't meet expectations, tweak and regenerate until you're satisfied. Level 5, music creation or selection. For music, you can either dive into the YouTube audio library or use something like Brev AI for custom tracks. Remember, free plans on Brev AI don't come with commercial use rights for YouTube. With all our elements ready, we jump into CapCut for editing. Lay out your scenes, match them with the beat of your music, add effects to make each scene pop, and don't forget to text your credits or song titles. After fine-tuning everything, export your video. Here's where we get into the vibe of the music. SEO optimization, the secret sauce to skyrocket your views. Yo, listen up, because if you want your channel to pop off and not just blend into the background noise of YouTube, you gotta talk SEO. And when it comes to SEO for YouTube, VidIQ is like the secret sauce you didn't know you needed. First off, you've got to understand that SEO isn't just about stuffing keywords. It's about making your content as discoverable as possible. Here's how VidIQ can transform your channel from a hidden gem to a viral sensation. Keyword research that hits the mark. VidIQ isn't just another tool, it's your personal keyword wizard. Use it to find those golden nuggets of search terms that your audience is actually typing into YouTube. With vidIQ, you can see what's hot and what's not, tailoring your video titles, descriptions, and tags to match. Optimize like a pro. Every time you upload a video, vidIQ gives you a personalized SEO scorecard. It's like having a coach that tells you exactly what's working and what needs a bit of tweaking. From title optimization to tag suggestions, vidIQ ensures your content is SEO ready to climb those search rankings. Competitor analysis. Spy like a boss. Want to know what the big dogs in your niche are doing? vidIQ lets you peek behind the curtain at your competitors' SEO strategies. See their tags, titles, and how they're ranking for your target keywords. It's all about learning from the best and adapting their strategies to outshine them. Engagement tracking. Keep your pulse on the audience. It's not just about views, it's about keeping viewers hooked. vidIQ helps you track engagement metrics like likes, comments, and watch time, giving you insights on what content resonates most with your audience. This info is gold for refining your SEO approach to keep viewers coming back for more. Stay updated, because trends change faster than fashion. The YouTube algorithm is like an unpredictable beast, but vidIQ keeps you in the know with real-time updates. They'll even notify you about new trends or changes in how content is ranked, so you can adjust your strategy on the fly. Remember, SEO isn't just about getting found, it's about getting found by the right people. You can find the link to vidIQ in the description below or in the pinned comment. Monetization tips and external revenue streams. Now that we've covered how to create and set up your AI video production, let's talk about turning those views into dollars. Here are some key strategies. YouTube ad revenue. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, ads will start appearing on your videos. Your earnings depend on factors like view count, ad format, and viewer demographics. Optimize for ads. Longer videos might allow for more ad placements, but quality should never be compromised for quantity. Use mid-roll ads strategically to keep viewers engaged. By the way, if you want to save all that time of starting a YouTube or TikTok channel from scratch, and you want to start earning money right now from your first video, I recommend teakaccounts.com. There you can get your YouTube or TikTok channel monetized and ready to make money. You have the link in the description or in the pinned comment. External income sources. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche via affiliate links. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Transparency is key here. Always disclose affiliate relationships, sponsorships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. This can be lucrative, especially if your content aligns well with a brand's target audience. Negotiate contracts that benefit you, possibly including product placements or dedicated videos. Patreon or similar platforms. For more direct support, consider platforms where fans can support you monthly in exchange for exclusive content or perks. This can be more stable than ad revenue. Courses and workshops. If you're knowledgeable in AI or video production, create educational content. Sell access to tutorials, courses, or even one-on-one coaching. Selling your AI tools or services. If you've developed unique AI tools or methods for video production, consider offering these as services or software to others in the industry. Monetization on YouTube and beyond can be complex but rewarding. By leveraging AI for content creation and these diverse income strategies, you set yourself up not just for views, but for a sustainable and scalable business model in the digital content landscape. Keep innovating, and the sky's the limit. So that's the journey from zero to hero in AI video production. It's not just about making videos, it's about crafting experiences, connecting with your audience, and maybe even changing the game. Keep grinding, keep creating, and let's see those views stack up like pancakes on Sunday morning. Stay tuned, stay creative, and remember, the sky's the limit when you've got AI by your side. This journey could take you from nothing to something in the digital world. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one pulling in millions of views without ever showing your face. Keep pushing, keep learning, and let's ride this AI wave together. Peace out, creators.